We will now look at Book 3. In Book 3, we are going to learn a new concept. We are going to learn how to multiply. As we discussed before, a child can skip, jump, sing, because a child knows what those doing words or what those verbs mean. But a child cannot multiply unless he has a definition of what to multiply means. We must have a definition of multiplying. What is multiplying? Multiplying is building a rectangle. In Book 3, we will do the following multiplication problem. What we are looking at is something that we're very familiar with. Two factors, an over distance and an up distance. Remember, multiplication is building a rectangle. So in order to build a rectangle, all we need is our over distance and our up distance, or our factors. Let's outline our factors here. Here we must be over x plus 2. We will be over x plus 2 units, and our up distance will be x plus 3 units. We can now see that over x and up x creates an area of x squared. We now must come over 2. We will extend our square over 2, and we will extend our square up 3 units. We bring the entire square up 3 units, and now all we have to do is fill in our corner, and we have a complete rectangle. We place in our units, the rectangle 2 by 3, and we now have our rectangle. We just did a multiplication problem. We built a rectangle. What did we start with? We started with our factors. We started with our dimensions. Factoring was also what? Factoring is building a rectangle. In factoring, we started with our amount and found our dimensions. And let me point out, in mathematics, there are only 2 things that we are focusing on: amount and direction. In our very first 3 books, we are starting to really gain a grasp of what mathematics is all about. Now we must record how much we have, or the amount that we have. Here we can see that we have x squared. X squared. Here we can see how many x's we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. And here we have 6 units. Let me write this below a little larger and possibly clearer. X squared plus 5x, x squared plus 5x plus 6 units.